In this video, we are going to take a look at our website where we've come so far. We have pretty much the shell, and I'm going to show you how to hyperlink different resources to your Canva website. Check it out. All right, let's hop into our Canva website here for Canva, Guide for Administrators. What I want to do is show you how to hyperlink all your resources, your curated resources for teachers. So what I'm going to do is work in this box. We have several different things that might entice someone to click on this box. So what I have to do is find my resource, whatever my curated resource is, and I am going to hyperlink the shareable link to this everything that is here. So the first thing I'm going to click on is the shape itself. All right, I'll click off, I'll click on. You can see that it's highlighted. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my resource. So what I made was this top 3 Canva channels infographic. This is in Canva, and when you get done with it, you can share it out. Just to show you this, everything here is hyperlinked. All right, each one of these channels is hyperlinked with their URL. We're going to share this. There's several different ways that we could do this. We can do a collaboration link. I would only do that if you're working with someone, but what I want to do is this public view link. If you click on that, it will give you this public view link, and that will allow the person viewing it to see if they want to make a copy or not. So we're going to go ahead and hit copy there. We'll hop back into our Canva website. I already have it selected, the box selected. If you want to do that again, click off of it, click on it. And from here, we have a couple different ways that we could hyperlink it. The first thing that we could do is we could hit right click and then go down to link, or you could do the Control K. For this one, I will do link. Once you get in there, we're pasting our shareable address from the infographic. You could hit right click and paste and do that, or you can hit Control V. After that, you're hitting done, and now it is hyperlinked. All right, we want to do the same thing here, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit Control K and then Control V. That's the same shareable link, and then I am going to hit done. All right, I'm going to do the same thing with this little graphic here. Control K, Control V, and then we hit done. Links added. And then finally, I'm going to go here to the text, and I'm going to hit done and do the same thing. All right, so now this whole thing here, if you highlight it all right, you should be able to hit Control K, Control V, and done, and this is taken care of. Everything here is hyperlinked to this resource, so now everyone has it. And what you're going to do is you're going to repeat the same steps for each one of these. Okay, you'll attach your resources, your curated resources to here, and the next video will show you how to publish.